Alright, job of the day. I am doing a full overhaul on this trailer. New axle, new springs, new brakes, new jack, new wiring, new tires and wheels. I gotta raise this up and I'm gonna do undersprung on the axle itself so she has some room to get tires up and into the trailer. Front is gonna be changed out to an adjustable 2 5/16 coupler. This trailer should raise up about 5 inches after I get everything done. Let's get to it. Got trailer up in the air and level, nice and safe. I'm going to cut this front off, weld on the adjustable coupler that I brought, and then gusset it out. Alright, let's get this cut off, ready for the adjustable. Alright, everything looks good. Square this off. Oh man, these would not have done anything if it came off the ball. I got new ones. Nice 5/16 safety chains for her. All right, new adjustable base is on. Everything's welded. I gusseted it out. Modus Manufacturing made me a bunch of gussets super fast. Actually, amazing company. They're in Penn Valley. Safety chain mounts are on. I'm gonna wait for everything to cool down and then I'll clean it up, paint it black. I got the jack on as well. I'm gonna weld the saddles on for this axle. Axle saddles are welded onto the axle. Everything is level. I need to pull this old axle out of here and get the new suspension underneath the trailer. See if this bad boy will take some shackle bolts off. I think it will. Oh my gosh, I love this thing. Not enough balls for that one. U-bolts passenger side are off. I love how one nut of these U-bolts come off. Let's see if I can get the big impact on it. If not, I gotta cut them. Big boy took it right off. All suspension is loose. All right, axle's out, suspension is out. Old mobile home axle is out of the trailer. Alright, I got everything but locking nuts. I don't know how I went through locking nuts faster than I went through shackle bolts. I'm gonna get these mocked up and then I gotta run and grab some locking shackle nuts. I found 2 locking nuts, so I'm just gonna put them on for right now and then run and grab some more. But I'm gonna hang the axle, get all the brakes on and stuff like that. Alright, jumping ahead a little bit. I got axle underneath. I have the backing plates on. I need to hand pack the bearings because I don't have easy lube spindles on this axle. So I'm gonna go pack hubs and install, and then I'm gonna run and grab parts. Excuse me, Miss Chicken. I need you out of my truck. Come on, out. I don't wanna grab you because come on. No, oh my goodness. Out, out. No, don't jump in my truck. Go home. Chicken chaser. Locking nuts are all in, hubs are packed, and retainer is on both sides. I'm gonna pound dust caps and then figure out a way to get this trailer high enough so I can get tires on it. I had to do some geometry with some bottle jacks, but I got tires and wheels on. I am working on wiring right now. Terminal box is going there, breakaway kit's going right there, and I've got tire and wheel on this side as well. I do need to run brake wire to the front. Wiring plate is in, I'm gonna weld it. All right, mounting all the terminal box and the breakaway kit. All wiring is set up. I just need to run this wire to the brakes. All right, it's getting dark, but I'm wiring up the axle now. Wiring for the passenger side's in, just need to shrink wrap everything. Wiring is shrunk up on this side. Wiring is shrunk up on that side. All wiring for the brake is done. I'm gonna test everything, make sure it works. Got my tester plugged in, everything but reverse light not flashing. And reverse lights is flashing means it's not hooked up, which is totally fine. Got good left turn. I got good right turn. Don't have good tail lights. Left turn's working, right turn's working. Marker lights are working on both sides. This thing came out, this side came out of the butt connector. Fixed. Oh man, it got dark real fast, but I'm gonna torque all these lug nuts. All checked all the brakes work, all the lights work. I'm just cleaning up all my stuff, but this trailer's got a new axle underneath, new suspension. It's got a new coupler on the front. I need to put it on still, but new wiring and breakaway kit, terminal box, 7-way plug, and new jack. I'm just gonna clean up and then I'm on to the next.